So in this haircut, what we're going to do is we're going to take down the sides and back nice and tight, and then we're going to leave some length on the top so that my model can go ahead and style his hair kind of in a brush back type style. So as you can see, I've got a guard on. It's not the shortest guard. It's the second to shortest guard that you can put on your clippers. And I'm basically just working my way up, scooping out as I get to the occipital bone. And I'm going to go through and remove all of the weight that we're going to cut off anyway, just to kind of quicken up the process. So we're going to go through and I'm just going to freehand this shape in as I get above the occipital bone, and I'm going to do that on the back and I'm going to do that on the left side. However, on the right side, I'm going to section off the top to cut the underneath, and then I will blend the top with the sides. So, I'm going to go through, cut off all this hair, and then we're going to continue on with the haircut.
Like I'm in a big leagues. Yeah, I told him I'ma hit it out of stands. I deserve another 100 bands. I deserve another 100 fans. Told them this was always in the plans. I just did it cause they said I can. Blowing euros when I'm down in France. Labels asking how I build a brand. Told them put a check up in my hands. Boy got time, no cap. Made a few checks, but they all in the raps. Had a few friends, but they suck in the past. I don't even trip when I'm thinking about that. Hopped in the whip and we all in play. Shawty wanna ride to the hop in the back. 0 to 100, seen a rap on the dash. They ain't catching up, like I'm moving too fast. I'm in the big leagues. Told them don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making his dog, like I'm in a big league. I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh. Send it through quickly. I'm making his dog, like I'm in the big leagues. Told him that I gotta go, dog. I'm riding the road, y'all. I think that I'm back in my bag now. So I need that go, y'all. Got hits when they throwing the fastball. Just too quick for it. Peeling off like the whip orange. Seen the effort, this piss poor. I got too much, I gotta.
Alright, so as you can see, I've now taken a section at the temple, which is basically separating the side from the top. And I'm going to just remove all of this bulk on the right side. And then again, like I mentioned, I'm going to let that section hang down. I'm going to take those clippers, take those clips out, let that section hang down, and I'm going to blend in the sides with the top. But before I do that, you can see I now have a different guard on my clippers, and this guard is the shortest guard that you can have on your clipper. And I'm just going through and taking that hairline a little bit shorter and kind of just flicking out as I get higher up the hair. Not quite as high as I did with the previous guard, but still taking it up to about the bottom of the occipital bone and kind of just flicking out, but just really trying to work that hairline in nice and tight. At some point, I'm going to take off that guard and take it down even shorter without any guards, just to really fade out that hairline.
Like I'm in a big league.
Alright, so as you can see, I now have the trimmers in my hand, and I'm just going through and cleaning up all the neck hair. So anything that I want completely bald, I am just removing right now with the trimmers. For those of you who don't know, the difference between the trimmers and the clippers is the trimmers takes the hair even shorter than the clippers. So I can take the hair quite tight with the clippers, but I can take the hair pretty much bald with the trimmers. And so I'm going through and just removing all of the neck hair and establishing where I want the beginning of the outline slash hairline to start. I will then go ahead and take the clippers and fade that little outline out so that I don't have any hard lines, but I am establishing those lines right now by using the trimmers.
Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. Yeah, I need a bag, bruh. Send it through quickly. I'm making his dog, like I'm in a big leagues. Yeah, I told him I'ma hit it out of stands. I deserve another 100 bands. I deserve another 100 fans. Told them this was always in the plans. I just did it cause they said I can. Blowing euros when I'm down in France. Labels asking how I build a brand. Told them put a check up in my hands. Boy got time, no cap. Made a few checks, but they all in the raps. Had a few friends, but they suck in the past. I don't even trip when I'm thinking about that. Hopped in the whip and we all in play. Shawty wanna ride to the hop in the back.
So now, as you can see, I've removed those clips that separated the top from the sides, and I've let the hair come down, and I'm simply cutting through my fingers, blending in the sides with the top. So I'm basically holding my fingers in basically a square shape and just removing all of that hair that's kind of overhanging below the sides, and then I'm going to still cut the top. I've still got to cut the actual top of the haircut. I'm going to cut the top square, but I'm just basically removing the overhang that comes down and hangs over the sides.
I'm making his dog like I'm in the big leagues. Told him that I gotta go, dog. I'm riding a road, y'all. I think that I'm back in my bag now. So I need that go, y'all.
Alright, so now it is time to cut the top of my model's hair. As you can see, I got a big corner right up there that I'm just squaring off to lighten up the top so that when my model goes to dress his hair in a backward manner, it's not going to be as heavy and not going to drop as easily. Alright, well, I have come to the end of this haircut, and now I'm styling the hair with some pomade. As you can see, there's no more overhang that hangs down over my model's right side of his head. I blended through my fingers the right side with the top. We've got some length on the top, but you can see the sides and back are nice and tight. And I'm simply just using some pomade to push the hair back and dress the hair in a brushed back manner. And I hope you guys enjoyed this haircut. If you like this video, hey, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you got any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more great content coming your way. And I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.
Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making his dog like I'm in a big league.